Yes, guys, welcome back. Welcome back for another one. Today, you know how we do. We got a simple one today, man. We gotta do some mince with some veg in it and some pasta. Nice and easy, simple one today, man. We got some bolognese sauce there. We're gonna run in there. It's all good, man. Nice and easy today, man. Easy one. Quick, and fast. Yeah. Yes, so let me get my water ready for my pasta. So add a bit of oil in the water, a bit of salt. The oil stop the pasta from sticking. So you know how that goes. You don't want that to be sticking on the side of the pot. So just leave that to boil first, and then I throw my pasta in, and that's good to go. And I'll just go chop up my local seasoning and stuff. Veg and thing that goes in the mince. There's my mince there. I'm just gonna season up my mince. You know how I do it, man. I season up everything proper seasoning, everything on there, man. You know how I do it. Yes, yep, my water is boiled up now, so just ready to go and put that pasta in. Get that in there nice and easy, man. Yes, oil is ready for that mince. Let's get that in there, get a little color on there, to make sure it's proper cooked. Just leave it there for a little bit. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. After about 5 minutes or so, 5-10 minutes, then I just add I got some potatoes and some carrots, so I'll add those in now because they a little bit harder to cook. So get those in, get them to get a bit soft, and then I'm gonna leave it there for a little bit until they get a bit soft. Yeah, man, some pasta is ready. So all I do now, add a little seasoning to it. It can't be bland. You gotta spice it up. Everything spiced up nice. So I got some little cube there. It's a veggie cube. So let it oxo veggie cube. It's like all purpose really. I just spiced that up with some onion powder. Nice it up, man. You have to nice it up. Can't be bland. Sweet it up. Yeah, so carrots are ready. They're soft enough now. So now I'll just put the rest of my natural seasoning, my tomatoes, my sweet peppers, onions, garlic. You know how it goes. All things nice. After that, I'll just put my my mixed beans, because I got mixed beans, all different kind of beans in it, and I'll nice it up. Come on, mix it up nice. Looking good. It's smelling wonderful right about now, man. You smell that smell. That's ooh, the aroma is coming out of there. It's serious. So I just add a little bit more seasoning, some black pepper, a little bit more all-purpose. You know, you still have to spice it up more, man. You need more spice, more spice. Yeah. So I'll just add my bolognese sauce in there. You know, more niceness again. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So leave that till you see the sauce. Nice, man. I'm just gonna leave it for a little bit more. Get it nice and thick. You know. Yeah, man. Soon ready, man. Soon ready. Yeah, that's it now, man. You don't want it to get dry down too much because you know you need the sauce for that pasta. So that's about it now, man. You can do your thing now, man. Patlan, you can share out your thing. Yeah, man. You ready now, man. You ready? Yeah, man. This is a big plate today. Lots of hungry belly to feed today. This one is a big plate. It covers the plate, but I need a bigger plate. Yeah, man. So I was very hungry today, so I have to fill up the plate today. Decide no restaurant style sharing, you know. This home sharing, no restaurant style. Big plate.